In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save one PowerPoint slide as a PDF. Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into a super handy skill that can make sharing specific parts of your presentations a whole lot easier. Whether you're preparing materials for a class, a business meeting, or just need to highlight a single slide from a larger presentation, saving one PowerPoint slide as a PDF is a skill you'll find incredibly useful. First things first, let's get PowerPoint up and running. Locate the MS PowerPoint icon on your computer and double click to open the program. Once you've got PowerPoint open, you'll find yourself at the opening screen. This is your gateway to all of your presentations, both recent and those tucked away in folders. Now it's time to open the file that contains the slide you wish to save. Navigate through your folders if you need to, or select it from the recent presentations if it's shown on the opening screen. With your file now open in front of you, you're one step closer to creating that PDF. Next up, head over to the File menu located typically at the top left corner of your screen. This menu is your control center for everything related to your PowerPoint file, from saving to sharing and beyond. In the File menu, look for the Print option. This might seem a bit counterintuitive since we're not actually printing anything, but trust me, it's exactly where we need to be for our next steps. Clicking on Print will take you to a window where you typically configure your printing settings, but we're going to use it a bit differently today. Now focus your attention on the Settings section, where you'll see a drop-down menu. This menu controls what part of your presentation gets printed, or in our case, saved as a PDF. Click on this drop-down to explore the options available. From the list of printing options, you're going to want to select Custom Range. This allows you to specify exactly which slide or slides you want to work with, giving you the flexibility to choose the exact content you need. After selecting Custom Range, a text box will appear where you can type in the page number of the slide you wish to save. If your desired slide is number 15, for example, just type 15A into the box. This tells PowerPoint that you're only interested in converting that particular slide into a PDF. With your slide selected, it's time to actually create the PDF. Instead of clicking on a literal print button as you would when printing a document, you'll click on what is essentially the OK button for this operation, which might still be labeled Print, depending on your version of PowerPoint. This action doesn't send your slide to a printer, instead it initiates the saving process. A new dialog box will now appear asking you to choose a location for your new PDF file and to give it a name. Take a moment to navigate to where you'd like to save your file and type in a meaningful name that will make the PDF easy to identify. Finally, with your location chosen and your file named, click on Save. This will convert your selected PowerPoint slide into a PDF document stored right where you decided. What you now have is a versatile, easily shared version of your slide that can be viewed on almost any device, perfect for distributing individual slides for any purpose. That covers the step-by-step process of saving one PowerPoint slide as a PDF. This technique is not only straightforward, but also incredibly useful for educators, professionals, and anyone looking to share specific slide content without distributing their entire presentation. Remember, the power of a well-organized and presented PDF cannot be overstated. It facilitates easy sharing and ensures your content is viewed just as you intended, regardless of the viewer's device or software. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found these instructions helpful and feel more confident in your ability to manipulate PowerPoint slides for individual use. Whether it's for a classroom handout, a business email attachment, or any other purpose, your newfound skill will undoubtedly come in handy. Happy presenting and see you in our next video lesson.